Hey guys, this is Luke from Off-Leash K9, Clarksville, Nashville. Today we have Harvey. Harvey is a 6-month-old Great Pyrenees, and he comes to us for the 2-week board and train. What problems does Harvey have? Not really, no problems really, because he's just a big Great Pyrenees puppy. He has a great attitude. He's not aggressive. He's just real curious. And he lives the great life of farm life. Great Pyrenees are bred to be protectors of livestock, and that's exactly what this guy is going to do. Mom and Dad, they just want some manners and especially a recall. So we're going to work on that during the 2 weeks, but let's check out and see what this guy knows. Okay, sit. Good boy, yeah. Good. Come on. Good. Come here. Place. Okay. Sit down. Can you down? Oh, good. Good boy. Good boy. Come. Yeah. Can you heel? Heel. Come on. Yeah. Heel. All right. Good boy. So as you see, the dog does know some commands. We're just going to hold him accountable and show him a couple more commands. So guys, check back in 2 short weeks to see how much this guy has learned.
Moon hang low up in the sky. Streets run red with blood, and you know why. 'Cause they are coming. They're coming for me. They are coming. It was fast living and the money too, and I had loving sweet as honeydew. But now they're coming for me. They are coming. Now if I go, honey, let me go down the river on the Ohio. Bury me deep in the water wide. I'll see you on the other side. If I go, honey, let me go down the river on the Ohio. Bury me deep in the water wide. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the other side. Tell your don't hang low up in the sky. Streets run red with blood.